Hey guys, welcome to this Airdrops YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how to register with Swapzilla Airdrop. So let us go to www.desiairdrops.com on the new tab and click on Swapzilla Airdrop. Alright, so Swapzilla Airdrop is 0.1 BTC to each community member, each airdrop participant. To participate, sign up, log in and complete the KYC verification to receive 0.1 BTC bonus. You can also invite your friends and earn 0.1 BTC bonus for each valid referral. Well, there are 4 simple steps guys to complete the registration procedure for this airdrop. Before going into the registration procedure, let's study a little bit more about the Swapzilla project. So Swapzilla is a unique infrastructure solution that revolutionizes crypto trading. It brings together all exchanges, all tokens, all news streams and all tools. So Swapzilla platform is suitable for any player on the market, a crypto exchange, a trader, a news channel or a company that develops trading algorithms. They will give them all the opportunity to effectively interact and exchange information and data. So Swapzilla's commission will be many times lower than other crypto exchanges. It will be possible to place advanced smart orders, which guarantees the possibility of selling large volumes of crypto asset profitably. So if you want to know more about the Swapzilla, just click here to go to the website of the Swapzilla, and probably they'll be having the white paper also. Please download the white paper here and furthermore. So let's start with step number 1. Sign up at Swapzilla website and verify your email address. Click here to sign up at Swapzilla website. Now give your email address. Mine is desiairdrops@gmail.com. Give a password. Confirm the password. Now give a username if you wish to. This is an optional. Now click on I agree button and I agree to public offer. So once you have done with all this, click on the register button. Alright. So guys, you will be receiving just a minute. So guys, you can see here my registration has been confirmed successfully. Now just log into the dashboard and then step number 2, log into the dashboard and complete the KYC verification. Let's go to the dashboard to complete the KYC verification. Yes. So guys, you can see here the screen on the screen. This is the verification step. You can see here very clearly. It is stating that complete the KYC verification to unlock your bonus. Alright, so yes, I'll be doing it in a few minutes. So guys, if the KYC is mandatory, please do not miss it. And if it is for any exchanges, which is mandatory to do the KYC verification, otherwise you will miss your tokens. Now click on the referral button. This is a referral link of mine. Alright, so step number 3, you can also invite your friends to earn 0.1 BTC bonus for each valid referral. Step number 4, get more details about the airdrop form from this Telegram post. Click here to go to the Telegram to know more about the Swapzilla website, the project. There is a note given here guys. Bitcoin bonus cannot withdraw, but you can use to do the trading when the platform launches and withdraw the profits. So you have to be a little keen about this. Alright. Well, that's all guys about the registration procedure for Swapzilla airdrop. If you like the Swapzilla airdrop, don't forget to upvote and comment below. Follow us on Telegram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter for fastest, latest and exclusive airdrops. In addition to this, please subscribe to our newsletter to receive new airdrops every day in your inbox absolutely free. Have a happy airdropping. Bye bye.